All right, here we go. Starting to go up.
Yes, sir.
I guess I'm going to come out of eco mode now.
I believe so.
Stay left. Stay left.
Yeah.
That road is ugly over there.
It's very ugly.
Hmm?
Very ugly.
Yeah, we still out here. Me, Rondon, and Amelia having a good time. And we are enjoying coming up this big mountain, and it's going to get crooked, so buckle up, folks. I thought that would be a good way to tell them.
That's a darn good way to tell them. Buckle up, Buttercup.
Yep. Stay left, stay left. Breaking the road over there.
I knew something funny with that car here.
Yeah. You can tell that car knows this road.
Yeah, he's from up here. He's going way too quick for a foreigner.
Break it down, son. Come on, big boy. Come on.
Act like you live here.
Here, I'm going to pass him. Hold on. I'm going to slow him down a little bit. Y'all, take your time. Hold on. After this turn, come on. Yeah, be ready to come. We're going to come on around him in a second, okay?
Yeah. You say when, I'm gone.
All right, take your time. Hold on. We got some curves coming up. All right, come on. Come on. You can come on in the curve. Nobody's coming. Come on. Come on around him. Come on. All right. Come on, break it. All right.
That was a little tighter than you figured.
Yep. Yeah, he was letting us.
Yeah,
all right, going right. Everybody stay alert. Ooh, yeah, baby.
I love it.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
It could get boring for just a little while, but my face.
Break it down. Break it down. Switch back. Break it down some. It's coming back on itself. Yeah. You can't beat it with a baseball bat.
You got that right.
Hold it down. Break it down. Big one here. Break it down. There you go. Yep. Hold those. Keep that RPM pretty tight so it can hold back when you let off the throttle, and the bike will do its part. Woo, boy, I can't stop smiling.
Yeah, either it hurts. Just like yesterday.
Yep.
Hey guys, Dr. Young Gunn here, and if you like this video so far, take 1 second to hit that like button down there and hit that subscribe button. That allows me to continue to produce awesome videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you all, and continue to enjoy the video.
I mean, it just, how those curves come around, you just like, wow.
Yeah. and there's sweepers and there's, you know,
yeah,
all of them. Height curves, sweepers.
And that's it.
Switchbacks. That's what makes a road fun.
Uh-huh. And I'd rather go up the mountain than come down it, you know.
Always.
Mm-hmm. You're not having to really be on, you know, the brakes.
Yeah, you burn your brakes up downhill, you don't have as much control. When you're going uphill, you got that traction going on there.
Yeah. Let's break it down, everybody. I think this is my turn here. Matter of fact, we're gonna bust a U-turn here.
All right.
Watch this bike behind you.
Is that a Harley? It sounds like
yep.
a Harley. Yeah, it is.